Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am in a town called North Branford, Connecticut. Get with the program's Deborah K. Levi. Looking at Route 80 in the sky and taking a little ride on Tucket Road in North Branford as I need to go to this area this afternoon. It's around 4:27 p.m. It's 79 degrees, and I'm listening to Pulse Lullaby. Okay, so we're going to get a look at what this area is starting to look like as the storm clouds are making their way here in North Branford, Connecticut. Everybody's been forgotten. Everybody's tired of being alone. Yeah, everybody's been abandoned and left a little empty-handed. So if you're not the barely hanging on, just get it one I think right behind here, not far from behind this area, is the Sportsplex. That's what the sky looks like now. North Branford Sportsplex, that is. There's some farming areas.
Music news. Here's what's going on. Linkin Park are the latest band now to be immortalized as action figures. Now, they put out a press release. The company that's actually making these figures said, quote, each of the band members is posed as if they were in the middle of a live performance with careful detail to each of their characteristics, expressions, and even their instruments. They do come with a standard stand as well as a special stage that you can set up if you want to display the entire band together.
There's a lot of sun breaking through in some areas and very There's a little bit of rain in areas.
The show's producers promised to cover the band's
Not too bad yet.
fights over
Oh,
money
there's a
and torn
cornfield.
relationships. That episode will openly discuss what went wrong and how reuniting
Beautiful
brought them
area
back
out there.
together again closer. The band discusses, of course, the emotional loss of Pat Monahan's mother, who died from cancer, and how she inspired the creation of Drops of Jupiter. And now let's go to
Wishing
the
well.
music news. I'm Jim Ryan.
Sirius XM, The Pulse.
This guy was on the wrong side of the road totally. Great.
Media.